Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For those who have not subscribed to my channel till now, should subscribe immediately and please watch the video till end. In this video, I will explain about modules in Python. A Python module is a file containing Python definitions and statements. The Python standard library is a collection of built-in modules. Standard library of a Python is extended as a modules to a programmer. Definitions from the module can be used within the code of a program. To use these modules in the program, a programmer needs to import the module. After importing the module, it can be used. The ways to import module in the program are import and from. First we will see about import. It is very easy and important topic. Please try to understand. A Python module is a file containing Python definition and statement. Okay, now we see about import statement. It is simplest and most common way to use modules in the code. Here the syntax for the import statement: import module name 1, module name 2. Here the example for this. Import math. On execution of this statement, Python will search for the math.py on create where the module definition and variable will be created. Then execute the statement in the module. Now the definitions of the module will become part of the code in which the module was imported. In some specific cases, the module name and name of the function separated by dot. This format is also known as dot notation. Here the example for dot notation: value equal to math dot square root of 25. The example of square root function of a module math to calculate the square root of the value provided in parentheses and returns the result which is inserted in the value. The variable written in parentheses is known as an argument. Next we will see about from statement. It is used to get the specific function in a program instead of a complete module. It is nothing but it is used to get the specific function in a program instead of the complete module file. If the programmer known which functions needed from the module in advance, then from statement can be used. For module having a large number of functions, it is recommended to use the from statement of import. Here the syntax for from statement. Next we will see the example for this. Here square root function only import inserted of the complete module. Now square root function will be directly referred to. Thank you for watching this video. If any comments, please post it on comment box. Thank you.